Keheal DC Mite Remover, power on. After plugging in the machine and turning on the power, press the switch button on the top of the machine handle. The machine starts working. Hold the machine and perform cleaning on the surface that needs cleaning. It is normal for the handle to be slightly warm during operation, and it will not harm the skin. UV light sensing operation. When the machine is working, when it approaches the surface that needs dust removal, trigger the height sensing switch. The UV indicator light turns red. At this time, the UV lamp is working. When the machine is lifted, the UV indicator light goes out. At this time, the UV lamp is not working. Note: UV lamps emit ultraviolet light, do not shine directly into the eyes.